Is rhino horn made of hair? The shocking truth revealed! Hey there, fellow animal fanatics and nature nerds. Welcome to FactSpark, your go-to spot for uncovering the wildest, weirdest, and most wonderful truths about our planet. Now, let's talk about something that's probably made you scratch your head: the rhino horn. Have you ever heard the rumor that this magnificent, pointy masterpiece is just a giant, super compressed clump of hair? Like, did a rhino just forget to get a haircut for a few decades? It sounds utterly bonkers, right? Well, buckle up, buttercups, because today we're about to blow that myth out of the water and reveal the jaw-dropping, scientifically accurate truth about one of nature's most misunderstood marvels. So, what is this legendary horn actually made of? Drumroll, please. It's keratin. Yep, you heard that right. The very same stuff that makes up your fabulous hair, your perfectly manicured fingernails, and even the tough outer layer of your skin. It's nature's super strong all-purpose building block. But here's where the plot thickens and the hair myth gets all tangled up. Unlike most animal horns, which are basically a bony core wrapped in a thin keratin layer, a rhino's horn is pure, unadulterated keratin all the way through. How cool is that? Now, if it's all keratin, why isn't it just a big floppy hairy mess? Because it's not hair. This isn't some giant matted dreadlock. Instead, rhino horn grows in solid, super dense layers, forming from specialized skin cells. Imagine it less like a bad hair day and more like a horse's hoof or a turtle's beak. It's incredibly solid, incredibly tough, and built for business. These layers get totally invaded by keratin proteins, turning them into this rock-hard, inert structure. Seriously, no squishy hair allowed. And here's where it gets truly mind-bending, folks. Scientists, with their fancy CT scans and microscopic wizardry, have peered deep inside these horns. They found what looks like tiny keratin tubes or hair-like filaments embedded in a matrix. But hold on to your hats, because here's the ultimate plot twist. What they thought were hollow microtubules is actually an optical illusion. It's all thanks to the unique way those solid keratin cells, called corneocytes, are oriented. They're packed in such a way that they appear fibrous, but it's solid through and through. It's like nature's own master illusionist at work, creating a biological composite that's structurally similar to advanced materials like metal or ceramic. Talk about natural engineering genius. But wait, there's even more to its incredible strength. Tucked away within those solid keratin layers are dense deposits of minerals like calcium and melanin. Think of calcium as the extra muscle, adding toughness, while melanin acts like a built-in sunscreen, protecting the horn's core from those harsh UV rays. These natural power-ups work together to make the horn even more robust, a true marvel of biological design. And get this, a rhino's horn grows continuously, adding about 2 centimeters a year, layer by distinct keratin layer. But that iconic cone shape we all recognize? Turns out it's not how it naturally grows. If a rhino's horn just grew without any external interference, it might actually stay cylindrical. But rhinos are busy creatures. They're scraping their horns on the ground, rubbing them on trees and rocks, using them for defense against grumpy neighbors or hungry predators, and even for foraging for the tastiest snacks. Plus, sunlight can degrade the outer layers. All these daily activities are like a rhino's personal sculpting session, contributing to that familiar, majestic cone shape we see. So the next time someone tries to tell you a rhino horn is just hair, you can confidently drop some serious FactSpark knowledge on them. You'll know the incredible, scientifically accurate truth. It's a unique, solid keratin structure, reinforced by minerals and shaped by the rhino's amazing life in the wild. On a more serious note, this incredible natural wonder is still tragically valued on the black market, pushing these magnificent creatures closer to endangerment. Let's appreciate rhinos for the true biological marvels they are and champion their conservation. If you loved uncovering this fascinating animal truth with us, smash that like button, subscribe to FactSpark for more amazing facts about animals and nature, and share this video to help spread the real science. What other animal myths should we debunk next? Let us know in the comments below. We're always up for a good mystery.